Hey, I've gotten a lot of comments lately about how my table saw fence is on the left-hand side of the blade, and I want to talk about that. I want to give you 3 reasons I do that. The first is layout. I have a wall on this side of my shop, and that side is open. It's easier for me to have this large expanse and have it on this side. The second is what we call eye dominance. I am left eye dominant. What that means is that when I do this, I see most of my information comes through my left eye and my right eye is blocked. I'm measuring when I'm cutting. I'm using my left eye to line up and do things, which takes me to my third point. The table saw is a really dangerous machine if you aren't comfortable. I'm more comfortable using it left-handed, so that makes me safer. And that's really important. If you're left-handed, you're going to be probably more comfortable and therefore safer using it left-handed. And there's no reason, there's no law that says you can't use this with your left hand. So feel free to use it however you want in a safe manner. Obviously, there are guidelines to go through,